Hey, how you doing? It's Dion Vincent here. Dion Vincent Show channel. Down there, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. Click the little bell icon to get notified anytime I give you more great content. Apologize for my voice. A little under the weather. But hey, we got to keep on pushing no matter what, right? Alright, so today I want to talk to you a little bit about Black Friday. The thing everybody's waiting on, right? Black Friday, spending money. Now, obviously, there's nothing wrong with spending money if you haven't. But I want to encourage you to look at Black Friday a little differently. Usually the news, the national consciousness is focused on buying things on Black Friday and Cyber Monday that they really don't need, like gifts, which I can appreciate, or things that depreciate in value, things like that. Big screen TVs, new cars, things like that. And I can appreciate that, of course. Hey, who doesn't love the new fun stuff, the new toy? But I would encourage you to look at Black Friday and Cyber Monday as an opportunity to spend money on yourself. But spend money on yourself with the purpose of improving yourself and or improving your life. Especially if you're an online marketer or you're in the entertainment industry, like myself. I'm both of those. Any profession that has tools and techniques and learning and classes that can make you better at your business or better at your profession. Use Black Friday and Cyber Monday for deals on the things that will improve your life, not a big screen TV. I mean, big screen TV is not going to improve your life. Might be fun, but it ain't going to improve your life. Okay, so look for what you can do is go to the big G, Google, or you can go to, well, let me say what you can do. Google first. First of all, just type in the company or the store or the class or the tools that you want, and then just type in Black Friday deals after that and see what comes up. I was on Facebook today, and I saw ad after ad promoting Facebook Black Friday deals concerning marketing, internet marketing, things like that. And see, that's what Black Friday you should use it for. Buy yourself a tool that you know is going to help your business, increase your revenue, increase your earnings. Get you a tool like that. I'll put a couple of links in the bottom of this video of some tools I know will help you. Yeah, do that. Some tools that'll help you. I saw one for Content Samurai, uh, which looks pretty good. I probably would get that myself. And that's another thing. This is a good opportunity to buy something you may not really need at the moment, but there's a chance that you may need it in the future. And if it's a really good deal, why not? If it's a really good deal, why not? So that can be a beautiful way to use Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So yeah, you definitely want to look around, find you some deals. And another way you can find deals is Facebook groups. You know, I'm always talking about how powerful and valuable Facebook groups are, because they're so specific and they're free. And there's people with information that you want that they'll give you for free. Of course, a lot of groups are used to market people's information, which is cool too. I mean, it's a brilliant business model. It just takes time and effort, but it's a brilliant business model. I mean, here you have a captive audience that specifically is interested in what you have to sell, or else they wouldn't actually join the group. I mean, it's just so beautiful, and it's free, and people love to spend time on Facebook, and hey, might as well learn something, right? That's the way an average person would look at it. So yeah, Facebook groups are amazing. You can type in Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or whatever business you're in, internet marketing or video marketing, all those things. And you can get in the group and just ask, does anybody know of any great Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals concerning whatever your interest is, or your business, or your profession. So yeah, use Black Friday and Cyber Monday as an opportunity for growth and also personal development. I can't stress enough how personal development goes hand in hand with business development. I mean, obviously, there's exceptions. There's unhappy people that are extremely successful. But that doesn't, just because they're an exception to the rule, doesn't negate the rule. You know, say there's a guy that jumped out of a 16-story window and survived. That doesn't mean that it's a good idea for everybody to jump out of a 16-story window. Okay? So yeah, use Black Friday as an opportunity for growth. There are so many good deals out there. You know, everybody's talking about Walmart or Amazon, and those can also be used as growth tools, because sometimes the tools you want or the software you want can be found in those places. But obviously everybody's always talking about like big screen TVs, blah blah blah. So you can even use those as growth opportunities. Okay? And I'll put a link to another channel that has great Black Friday deals, and see if any of those can be used for your growth of yourself and the growth of your business. Because that's what it all comes down to, right? We want to grow in ourselves and we want to grow in our business. So if we keep our focus, whether it's Black Friday or Cyber Monday or both, if we keep our focus on those two things, on self-growth or business growth, and make our purchases based upon those two areas of focus, then we'll have a great Black Friday and a great Cyber Monday. Not to say you can't buy yourself something. I mean, it's okay to treat yourself. Sure, it's okay to treat yourself. But I just implore you to make purchases that are Black Friday related or Cyber Monday related that can help you in your business and in your life. Because let's face it, a big screen TV is just a toy. We all love our toys, and there's nothing wrong with toys. But if we focus on our business and our self-growth and postpone the getting of these toys, then one day we'll be able to get more toys and still have our businesses running great. And don't negate looking up courses that you want. I had a friend of mine make a post about his course going on sale for Black Friday. Obviously, it's internet marketing related. But yeah, man, look for courses or software, especially softwares. There's a lot of software deals that I keep seeing. And like I said, I might buy something that I don't really need, but I might need because the price is so cheap. I saw something that was 87% off. And I really don't need it, but like I said, I'm going to get it just because it's so cheap. And see how I can incorporate that into my business in the future or now, because it's not totally unneeded. It's just not really needed right now. So yeah, make sure you make some purchases that'll help you in your life and in your business, not just toys. Okay? If you can delay gratification, you'll be much better off. That's another key to success. It's delay gratification. So, this is Dion Vincent. I'm going to sign off with that. If you like this video, this key to making Black Friday and Cyber Monday a success in your life, go ahead and click that, smash that subscribe button. Click the little bell icon to get notified anytime I give you more great content. This is Dion Vincent, and I will holler at you in a minute. Peace.